These things sure look stupid on your face. Not my glasses, that is. Good morning. What? I don't think I'm loud. I think it just echoes. Oh my God, my fingers are so cold. We are out on the dock early in the morning. It's like 7 in the morning right now, and this is just it's like incredibly beautiful. Jake's over there fishing. I'm over here taking pictures and freezing my feet off. I don't know why. I just refuse to wear shoes. Okay. Way better. So I've been up since 4 o'clock in the morning. I've been editing all morning. I took a shower and then just started editing. And I'm basically caught up, which is awesome, but the only downside is since we're in the middle of nowhere, per se, can't really upload. So, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is awesome.
I got no one to feed anymore.
Back home.
I know.
Starting the day right. Going for a little cruise in the buggy. Apparently the whole area around here has like a ton of wildlife, so we're taking this little Dune buggy up for a spin. And Jake's uncle's gonna show us all the ropes. This is cool. Yikes. Oh, you can still see its hooves. That deer skeleton, we're looking for its head. Apparently Jake's uncle was here a couple weeks ago and saw and found this. Didn't pick it up or anything, but now the head's missing. They were trying to find that.
Pretty clean, the critters did.
It's funny.
You never know, man.
I would have seen that one coming.
Look at all that fog, dude. That is so neat. Today is the first day that is open for bear hunting season. So, Jake's Uncle Chuck, we're just like walking around. He's got his gun with him, he's prepared. So just in case we see one, and it's worth it, we're gonna see some stuff, man. I'll tell you that much. Now we're really off-roading. They don't like me.
One thing without getting here would be a pack.
Man, it's bumpy. Nature at its finest. And we're back to the main road.
That saved us 5 miles. Whether we go anywhere on this road,
That's why I got a shortcut. Well, can't find any bears, so just gonna shoot around.
My ears are going.
Yeah. Oh my
I
god.
put my fingers in my ears.
Yeah, I should have did that. Wow, that was
Pull the
loud.
hammer
I was
back.
like, I know what happened
That
last
one's
time.
nothing like the one you had.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna try. That's awesome. Here, dude.
I have plugs. I still have my plugs in my pocket if anyone wants
Do you?
them. Yeah.
So just make sure it's at and just same thing. Both hands on it, good. Pull the hammer back, finger off the trigger. You hit it.
Nice.
You hit it. You hit it.
That is ringing. I hit the target though.
No finger on the trigger, just pull it back.
Got it.
Did you hit the target?
Here, Jake.
I don't. Did I?
Yeah, because they're the same age as Heather. That was fine. I just came up with that.
So we just got back to the house and we're just hanging out watching TV. Had lunch and we just wanted to relax because it was a very filling lunch. But now we're gonna go kayaking. Let's go. What's up?
Are you bringing it?
Oop, watch out. Watch out. You almost hit the dog. This is very times like 7 peaceful. This might be one of the most peaceful things I've ever done. I'm by myself too. Jake went that way. There's a little island over there that he wanted to go to, and I'm probably gonna go meet him over there. But like, oh my god, and just like in the middle of this huge lake. Good day. This is a great day. Ready? I don't know if you can hear it, but check out this echo. Woo! Woo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's raining. It's really starting to rain right now, and I don't want to go in because this is just such a surreal moment. Oh my god. I mean, I'm getting soaked, but it's totally worth it, and my glasses kind of broke on top of it. But there's a little, see this thing right behind me? It's a little dry little case thing. I don't even know, but it's keeping my camera dry. So the only thing that's getting wet is my clothes. And frankly, I don't even care because look at this. This is the coolest little lake. It's called Priest Lake in Idaho. And what I found out is those mountains right there, you go about 10 miles past them, and that my friend is Canada. All right, I'm getting soaked. I'm gonna head back. Jake's still over there. It's been like a half hour and he's still there, so. Ooh, my hood fell off. Yeah, it stayed dry. Oh, there's Jake.
Fun, huh?
Yeah.
Did you hang out on the island? Or no?
Yeah, I walked up on the island, but there was a goose nest, and like all the geese started like freaking out that I was there.
Yeah, that's their territory. Remember like 3 days ago I shot a gun for the first time? And then this morning I shot a gun again. In about 10 minutes we're going back up to the mountain and we're gonna shoot again. Only this time we're using bigger guns. We're using rifles, which is crazy. But we're taking that Dune buggy back up on top of the mountain We're gonna shoot those big rifles. This has been a great day. This has been awesome. Let's go.
So, this is a 223.
Okay.
This is the same as a AR-15, same gun, same caliber, only bolt action, and they're a lot more accurate. It's just a little guy.
Just a little. Let you guys know that his uncle
Click it good.
has been working with guns basically his whole life, so he knows what he's talking about.
Okay.
And there's always safety first.
No.
We wouldn't be doing this if it wouldn't be safe. Trust me. If you're gonna fire a gun and you have never done it, make sure you go to a proper place or you do it with someone who knows what they're talking about.
All you gotta do is take
This stuff is dangerous. That was definitely something you don't do every day. Well, some people. Definitely not me. But that was...
Live out here, you kind of do.
Yeah, I bet. That was really cool. Jake got a bullseye. He's like, no big deal. I got a cow's eye. Not as cool, but for a first time lefty shooter. And it was a righty gun. Like I said, I learned something new. I didn't know there was lefty guns. It makes sense.
Lefty everything.
I know it makes sense, but it's just one of those things that you never think of. We're back at the house. We made it back just in time to see a sunset. The sun is peeking right over the mountain over there, and it's literally making everything gold. It's the perfect golden hour. I don't ever want to leave this place, honestly. I got locked out.